Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So I finally got my hands on the newly launched Pioneer Dashcam, the budget Dashcam VREC H120SC. So I've been using this Dashcam only for a few days now, and this is going to be a first impressions video. But what really caught my eye regarding this camera is its super compact size. Of course, for the fact that this comes under the 5,000 price bracket, or should I say more like under the 4,000 segment, because this camera is priced about 3,400 rupees. This camera almost feels like a rear camera in terms of the size and in terms of the shape this camera comes in. So if you're someone who is looking to buy a compact size dash camera which can be almost hidden away on the windshield, maybe when you mount it behind the internal rear view mirror, the Pioneer VREC H120SC would just be the right choice for you. The build quality of this camera seems decent for the money you're paying for it. But apart from the build quality, the most important aspect regarding the camera, the video quality. So I've been taking a look at the videos shot using this Pioneer camera, specifically the daytime videos, and for the fact that this camera is capable of shooting 1296p resolution videos, just slightly higher than the regular full HD videos, but it does shoot them at only 25 frames per second and not 30 fps. The overall video quality, except maybe for the exposure part, looks quite decent and usable for day-to-day purposes. I do feel it is slightly overexposed, but that's not going to be an issue since this is an under 4,000 price bracket dash cam. That being said, to record any activity, any incident that might happen in front of the camera, this is kind of more than enough. But if you're someone who is looking to grab some details, some number plate reads or name plate reads, the 1296p resolution might not be a capable enough resolution to achieve those particular results. The video quality is just kind of right for the price and you get what you paid for. The installation of this camera is also pretty straightforward, simple, and there's no hassle in it. And even the Pioneer app, which I tried out on my Android smartphone, is also simple and easy to use with big menus, large menus, so that you can easily recognize and identify the particular options present within the app. So this particular dashcam would turn out to be a very good choice to those who are extremely budget conscious, don't want to spend beyond the 3,000 or 4,000 price bracket, want to have some recordings of your daily activities whenever you take out your car. The Pioneer VREC H120SC would be a suitable option for such requirements. So this was just a first impressions and a quick overview of the Pioneer camera. Of course, I'm currently working on making a super detailed review video of this camera as well. So if you're someone who is interested in checking this dash camera out, stay tuned to my channel. The review video, the complete detailed review video, will be dropping soon on it. But if you want to check out some more features about this camera and check out its current price, the link to purchase it is given in the description. Just click on it, get to know all the details, and if you're interested, go ahead and buy it right away. That being said, if you like this video and if you're waiting for the full detailed review video of this Pioneer dashcam, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video, and of course, don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also, do make sure you join in as a member of Travel Tech channel, because you'll stand a chance to win some amazing dash cameras every single month in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.